shit.
Yo, we don't like those big dicks. Yo, we don't like those big dicks. Yo, we don't like those big dicks. Yo, we don't like those big dicks.
Really? What's up YouTube? It's the boy Ty here, back with another video for you all. Now, before the video begins guys, don't come at me for the darkness guys. I'm trying my best to get the video to you. Let's just say like, mom is home, I don't want to do the video at home. I don't want to make a nice with her head. Exactly. Not to explain too much, but the energy I got up because I'm by myself in the end. Me not legit. Voila. Alright, that's it. No more than that. I'm about to call random girls and tell them that I can't get it up. You know? And that's it for this video, yo. I'm using Holla at this time. I'm gonna use like voice call because they don't know video. They don't really cut it anymore. The video doesn't really cut it, so I'm gonna use voice call and see what's getting. Wait, voila. One, the heaviest one, isn't it? Voila. Touch the like button, touch the subscribe button if you're new, and just comment something in the comment section. I know what we can do. Comment something in the comment section that I can do for another video. Okay, guys, I'm trying my best to speak standard English for my wide audience. Anyway, let's get straight to the video. Okay, voice mode. Tap it. Answer. She named Tanya. Connecting. Shit. Nobody gonna answer me today? I'm not taking no else today, guys. What do I want? Hello?
What up? Dang.
Bro, I'm here, yo. Guess what?
What?
Yo, I can't get my dick up. What can I do to get it up? Shit. Him hang up. South Africa, she come. Alright. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
What's up? Arizona, 24. Hello.
Hello.
What's up, beautiful voice?
He's a beautiful guy.
Come on.
How are you?
I'm here sad, but I'm okay. How are you?
Oh, what's wrong? Why are you sad?
There's a little problem, yo. I'm not sure if to tell you. Let me share it though. I can't get it out. I don't know what to do.
You can get what?
You know what I'm talking,
No, that's what I'm asking.
My dick. I don't know what to do. Kansas City. Hello, what's up? Hello, what's up?
Fireworks.
Fireworks. How are you? What's up? What's good?
I'm 17, you'll be 18. How are you? How old are you?
I'm 21, but I'm here. Not feeling. Yeah, I'm not feeling good though.
I'm sorry, why not?
That's a little issue, like a personal issue.
I'm sorry.
The thing is, I can't get my dick up. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Hello. Shit. Hi, Brittany. Call me Brittany. Hello. Hey, what's up, Brittany? Shit. Man. Bobby. Oh, no, man. Oh, no, man. Bob. Miguel. Oh, no, man. 38 Michigan. Top dog. Yo, what's up? what I got. 13, you know. Bill.
What are you grabbing in your picture? There's nothing there, buddy.
Bah. We need the girls them. We need the girls them. Send the girls them. Send the girls them. Send the girls them. Send the girls them. 21 United Kingdom. Watcha. Watcha. Bah. Territory United Kingdom. That a beer man. Beer man depend on the other. Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Hello, what about you?
Here kind of bored, yo, and sad at the same time.
Aw.
There's a little problem. I can't get my dick off. I don't know what to do.
Are you horny?
What the blood?
Hey, can I speak with Derek Bobano?
Bah. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm kind of sad, yo.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a little problem going on right now.
good for you, be sad.
Good? Shit, she cut. She never want to hear me. Should I go straight to the point? Texas. It's the big snow.
Yeah, bro.
Bah.
Hello?
Hello, what's up?
What's up?
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
19.
Really? Bah. Hey, Rebecca.
What's up?
I can't get my dick up. What should I do?
Play with it.
Really? Can you help me?
Suck your own dick? I don't know.
You're evil.
How am I evil?
You're telling me to suck my own dick. How am I gonna do that?
Remove some bricks.
Aww. Anyways, what's up? What you on? What you on? What's up?
Nothing.
You're fun. What's up?
I'm fucking high. That's what's up.
I need me some kush.
Nice. I'm hitting my dad pen.
Huh?
I'm hitting my dad pen.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I didn't have a friend with. I didn't have a friend.
If you can't get your dick up, there's something wrong with you.
No, I was kidding. That was a joke. That was a joke. I was just kidding.
I mean, I could just like touch someone's penis and it goes hard, so like. Why you got your freaking hands in your pants?
Is it weird? I'm gonna change that pic, yo. It's weird?
Yeah, it looks weird.
I thought it looked cute.
Even my neighbor's sitting here going, yeah, that's weird.
Shit.
You're trying to behave yourself.
Really? I thought that looked cute, yo. Come on. That's a cute pic. So what you on there doing though?
I'm bored. I'm high. I'm just
Sure you're not here looking for a new bear or something? You're not here looking for a new bed?
I don't need to get on here to look for a new bed.
Oh, really? Taken already?
Nah, but I mean, my Snapchat's going pretty fast right now with people.
So what if I was looking for someone and I want you?
My neighbor's single,
You single? How old is she?
27,
Oh.
right?
I said she would talk to a younger guy. I'm 21.
28. You like those younger men?
I'm 21.
Who's 21?
Yeah. Guess what? I'm from Jamaica. I got the long shit.
Yo, we don't like those big dicks.
Really? Really? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts my heart, yo. Fuck, she got it.
You move, she's gay. She talks sweet me. She likes to fuck little boys in the truck. Hey, that was mad.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Shit. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know how I failed a lot, but I got a few good ones in. I'm gonna leave all the, bloopers or the fun ones in. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like, a comment, and comment some questions you want me to ask them. And I'm gonna start doing some public interview, like go out in the public, because this is not working, y'all. So see you soon. It's your boy Tyty. Peace.